This course will help you become a top 1% sales copywriter precisely because after taking this course, you will no longer do sales copywriting. You'll be seducing your potential clients to desire what you're selling. And we're going to accomplish that in 3 ways. The first way is we're going to learn traditional sales copywriting, but we're going to sprinkle some magic on top of that. And the first part of the magic is going to be artificial intelligence. Today, you cannot do sales copywriting without it because artificial intelligence has many, many benefits that we should take advantage of, like giving you many different options, a stronger vocabulary, a different range of creativity. And it's not going to replace you, it's going to help you improve. It's like 1 + 1 = 3. Your humanity, your creativity, and the computing power of AI equals far better sales copywriting. But artificial intelligence doesn't know what's going to trigger an emotional buying response. And for that, we need a little bit more sales copywriting magic. And that next part of sales copywriting magic will come from emotional intelligence, which is really one of the things that sets this course apart. We're going to look at advanced emotional intelligence. By advanced, I mean we're going to not just look at emotional intelligence, but look at the latest scientific neuroscience research on the role of emotions and the role of emotions that emotions play in buying decisions. Not just emotions overall, but which emotions trigger which actions. So you will no longer be flying blind, like what should I write? How should I affect my audience? You'll know exactly the emotions to trigger. I'll give you the exact terminology, the exact words to trigger the right emotions. It's going to be all science-based and foolproof. And with that very, very, very clear direction and the aid of artificial intelligence, you'll write incredible copy from now on. And it's not going to be something that you'll succeed in 6 months or later. You'll be able to use these very strategies the same day you take the course. The very same day. So this course can have a very meaningful and immediate impact on your business. So if you haven't thought of yourself as somebody who's good at sales, or maybe you're struggling with sales, or it's something that you just need to learn for work, this course will take you to the next level quickly. So enroll today and let's begin.